Good morning, team. We have an error on room 405. This one says 230 error. It means that we have a problem on our gas leak detector. This one is a gas leak R410E detector. It can detect any kind of gas. It can detect perfume. But for now, we will try to restart this one. We will remove the power supply and restart the system. We will try to restart this one. Now it's off. We will restart this. We'll turn it again. Then it will be restart. We'll try to turn on. Wait for 3 minutes. If the error will occur again, we will remove this. Detector. This detector, R410 detector, we will remove this one on the system so that it cannot be error again. If this error will remain, if it's normal, then it's okay. Now we have detected CH230 error. We will remove it in the system. By pressing long press test settings. Go to 2901. You put it 2900.